In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use your mouse to zoom in and out on charts. This skill is particularly useful when you're trying to get a closer look at specific details or zoom out to get a bigger picture overview. Now let's get started with a couple of really simple techniques you can use. First of all, let's talk about using the mouse wheel. It's one of the easiest methods to zoom in and out when navigating charts or any visual content that supports zoom functionality. To zoom in on your chart, simply scroll the mouse wheel upwards. You'll notice that as you scroll up, the chart begins to magnify. This is perfect for examining details with greater precision or focusing on a particular data point that requires a closer look. Conversely, if you want to zoom out and get a broader view, just scroll the mouse wheel downward. This action will reduce the magnification, allowing you to see more of the chart at once. It's ideal for getting a comprehensive understanding of the overall data trends, or when you want to compare multiple data sections without losing sight of the big picture. In both instances, the speed at which you scroll can affect how quickly the chart zooms in and out. So, test it out to find a scrolling speed that feels comfortable for you. This will ensure smooth navigation and a better viewing experience overall. Moving on, let's explore another quick and effective method, using the right-click menu. To do this, place your cursor on the specific area of the chart where you want to apply the zoom function. Right-click on that spot, and a menu will pop up with various options. From this menu, you can select either zoom in or zoom out, depending on what you need at the moment. This method is particularly handy if you're someone who prefers using context menus for navigation tasks. It gives you direct control and can help those who may struggle with the precision of scrolling, especially when you need to make finer adjustments to your zoom level. It can also be more intuitive in certain situations, especially if you're already accustomed to navigating interfaces this way. Using these mouse functions effectively can enhance your ability to analyze and interact with data visually. Get comfortable with both methods because different situations or preferences may make one more suitable than the other. Experiment and see which one works best for you in different contexts. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon enough, zooming in and out will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.